Good morning. Welcome back. English. Bal Bharti, class 4. Now, today we are going to learn a new poem from our English Bal Bharti textbook. Poem number 22, The Champa Flower, written by Ravindranath Tagore. The poet Ravindranath Tagore. Ravindranath Tagore first was a Bengali poet, writer, composer, philosopher, and also painter. He reshaped Bengali literature and music as well as Indian art with contextual modernism in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The beautiful poem which we are going to learn today, written by Ravindranath Tagore. See the poem. Poem number 22, The Champa Flower. The Champa flower, what is the objective of this poem? It is the warm emotional bond between the mother and her child to appreciate the beauty of this poem. Let's see. Supposing I became a champa flower just for fun and grew on a branch high up that tree and shook in the wind with laughter and danced upon newly budded leaves. Would you know me, mother? You would call, baby, where are you? And should laugh to myself and keep quiet. I should slowly open my petals and watch you at your work. Next one. When after your bath, you wet your hair spread on your shoulders. You walk through the shadow of the champa tree to the little cots where you say your prayers. You would notice the scent of flower, but not know that it came from me. When after the midday meal you sat at the window reading Ramayana and the tree shadow fell over your hair and your lap, I should feeling my wee little shadow onto the page of your book, just where you were reading. But would you guess that it was the tiny shadow of your little child? When in the evening you went to the cowshed, I should suddenly drop on the earth again and beg you tell me a story. Where have you been, you naughty child? I won't tell you, mother. That's what you and I would say then. See that beautiful relationship between the mother and her child, written by Ravindranath Tagore. Let's see the poem with the explanation. Look at the first stanza of this poem. See, supposing I here became a champa flower just for fun and grew on a branch high up that tree and shook in the wind with laughter and danced upon the newly budded leaves. Would you know me, mother? You would call, baby, where are you? And I should laugh to myself, keep quiet. I should slowly open my petals and watch you at your work. Now, here in this stanza, the child who wants to imagine herself as a champa flower. Here in this poem, the child wants to pay a new role of champa flower. It's make a belief. Now here the child says, suppose I became a champa flower just for fun, and flower is right on top of the tree, high up that tree, and with the wind whole shook. What is going to happen? Say, I would love. Why? Because the child is very very happy and dance upon a new leaves by watching or see a new leaves on the top of the tree. Even we all very happy to see new plants with a new leaves. Similarly, this child also joyful feel and dancing seeing a newly budded leaves. He has questioned to us that, would you know me, mother? If my mother would know me, that the champa flower as me. Now here the child say that, mother, you call me baby, where are you? And when mother calls, where are you, baby? What would the baby do? He would laugh. How would the baby laugh? The baby laugh very very quietly, silently, and baby says in her manner, serial manner, it's the baby would open petals which had some champa flower and wanted the work which done by mother only. He slowly opened his petals and silently or slowly watch mother work. What her mother do here at the house. Next one. When after your bath with wet hair spread on your shoulders, you walk through the shadow of the champa tree to the little cots where you say your prayers. You would notice the scent of the flower but not know that it came from me. Now here Now here in the poet is expressing a morning time where the baby says when mother takes a bath, when our mother takes bath in the morning time, says as that the baby's mother also taking a bath in the morning time. When mother takes a bath, she comes because she says that hair spread on her shoulders means mother enjoying here, and she walks the shadow of the champa flower or champa tree would fall on her mother to the little cots and where she say your prayers. In this time baby say surely felt that the scent of the champa flower, but you don't know this beautiful fragrant came from me, means came from the little child. So because the little child was became as a champa flower, right? Next one. When after the midday meal you sat at the window reading Ramayana and the tree shadow fell over your hair, your lip, I should fling my wee little shadows onto the page of your book just where you were reading. But would you guess that it was the tiny shadow of your little child? Now here the baby once again said that what? Now here in this stanza it is the afternoon time. First stanza we know that that is the morning time. Now here the afternoon time, and after the midday meal is overhead hot a sun as a mother sits near the window to read a holy book, Ramayana. Shadow of the tree felt on mother's hair, and it's the baby says that I should fling my wee little shadow. Fling means what? Throw. He throw a little shadow on the paper, the holy book of the Ramayana, the page which the mother was reading on the window. It means at the afternoon time when mother sit on the window, that time I slowly spread my shadow on mother's book. Which book she has read at the afternoon time. Once again the child asks the question, but now guess that is the tiny shadow. What is the tiny shadow? Tiny shadow means the small little child, the small little baby, which is as became as a shadow. Next one. When in the evening you went to the cowshed, I would suddenly drop on the earth again and beg you tell me a story. Where have you been, you naughty child? I won't tell you, mother. That's what you and I would then. Now here the child once again show that. Now here at the last stanza tell us about the evening time. When mother goes to the cowshed, it has the night time. It has the evening time, has a light lamp in her hand, and suddenly the baby drop on the earth. Once again the baby is suddenly drop on the earth, and again as a child, it means when first one she is imagine that she has become a champa flower, the next one shadow, and after that when the evening time is come, that time he is become as a same as a little child. So once again as a little child on her mother, and she loves the stories which mother tell her. The mother would say, where you have been, my little naughty child? And the child says, I would tell you, mother. And child says that that's what you and I would say then. Then I would say it afterwards. So that beautiful imagination created here by the poet Ravindranath Tagore, which is the beautiful combination with mother and her child. I hope do you like this poem very much. You have to read the poem carefully, find out the hard words, and be happy, safe, healthy, and fit at your home. Thank you.